In this problem, we're given an equation, and we are asked to find derivative of function g when x is 0. Let's first find the value of that function when x is 0. So let's first find g of 0. So we're going to plug 0 in terms of x. So we have g of 0 plus 0 times sine g of 0 is equal to 0. This term is 0. So from this we see that g of 0 is 0. Now let's take derivative of the given equation. We have g prime of x plus, we're going to use product rule for the second term on the left hand side. We have sine g of x plus